I'll be here.
No pun intended, huh?
Look, I already got one. There's already one of the girls here going, hey, I want to go home with you. Literally, I do. I've got one, like, in my face.
You can cut off whatever you need to. No worries.
Yeah, no worries. I'm just trying to not cut bees in half.
No.
That's all right.
Hi. I can hear them buzzing. They're buzzing. They're on me. They're on me. They're on me.
Something missed. All right, ladies.
Trying to stand as still as possible.
All right. I know, it's all good, girls. You're not sounding very happy about this process.
No. Ah! Please no. Please no. No, they're here.
You're okay.
Am I surely?
You are. You're all right.
You should have a cameraman bee suit.
I wish.
All right, let's give him a minute to settle, and then I'll put the lid partially on there. I think I got the queen in there, just because they're all standing there fanning and saying, here's home. One day for the bee suit. There's still some on that upper branch. I try to shake out. But I'm trying to see if I have the queen in the box, they'll all start going in the box. And if she's still up there, they'll all start pumping back up there. They're like, oh, maybe this has So they should all start moving into that box. And then, like I said, this evening, probably about 8, because that's usually when my bees are gone to bed. I will come back and take my box home.
Alright.
And hopefully it will be full of bees.
Yeah, and I can keep an eye on it. See if they can leave it or whatnot.
Yeah, worst case scenario is I will have made them mad and they'll just leave.
Right.
Best case, they all go into my box.
Right.
I have had where I've got most of them into a box and I come back and they all flew off. And I'm all, oh well. Problem solved.
My wife Melissa, she's got here.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Do you want to get video?
She's giving
Yeah, I brought,
Should I text it to you?
yeah, I can send it to you.
Do they like you?
I think so. They seem to be moving into the box. That's why I was kind of hanging out to see. But the box, I think I got the queen in there, and then I have some drawn out comb in there with supplies and that'll attract them too. So
Yeah, our winemaker friend was all jealous he got to it before we did. He was like, lucky girl.
they are a prime sometimes. We ended up with 3 different swarms in our yard. 2 of them from our own hives, and then one that just happened to come into our yard. So
So what are you doing it now?
I'll let them settle down, and then I'll come back this evening and pick up the box of bees
And then take it.
and take them and put them in. I have an empty hive at
Oh,
home.
you do.
Yeah. So, and they look like they're going in. I was trying to see if it looks like they're all heading into the box. So.
There's a lot more on the right side of the box that's like hanging.
Yeah, they'll work their way in.
Yeah, I was out there.
If
They started calling me. I was like, no, I'm okay.
well, the nice thing with most honeybees is they're very docile. They don't want to sting you because they die when they sting you. So they only sting out of absolute necessity. So when they're swarming like that, you can just stand there. They'll fly around you. They're not going to sting you.
It's more of like controlling yourself.
Yeah. So yeah, so it looks like they're moving in there, and so I'll just, if it's okay just to leave that, then I'll come back this evening and
Yeah, I'll keep an eye on it, make sure no
Yeah.
wind or anything messes with the box.
yeah, I don't think anybody will mess with it. Most people are smarter than that. Although I don't know, I had a house sitter one time. Her friends went and opened up my bee box.
But that's
They dropped it really fast
not bad.
when they were greeted by, I'm sure, a whole lot of buzzing. Yeah, so you can let me know if they start to clump up again, because I still see a couple of them hanging on, but they leave pheromones behind, and so some of them are gonna still clump to that branch just because of the pheromones that they left there. But if you see them all coming back out, just let me know, and then when I come back this evening, I've got, it's not really a step ladder, but a flat, elevated platform that I can bring out that I can use from there, and I can leave the box there and still get up and get any more.
Okay.
So, yep, should be good.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you coming out here.
Oh yeah, not a problem. I know when Cindy called, I'm all, what is